I am here to help you searching information on internet. Today's topic: best video editor for Android and iOS without watermark. Let's go to website. In this post you contain all the knowledge related to best video editor for Android and iOS without watermark. Index of this post: list of best video editor and video maker for mobile, how to use that video editor or video maker, how can I edit a video in my Android without a watermark, how to use YouCut video editor, what is the best video editing software without a watermark, 10 mistakes new video editor make, free crash course for video editing tips. As you see in this post, you contain all the knowledge related to video editing software like app link or website link or details about that software, and also get the features of that software and video related to like that, how to use YouCut video editor, and this is a YouCut video editor like that. As you see, YouCut video editor, image and app link or website link, and you also get the knowledge related to video editing or video making like that. Video editing tips, 5 skill you need to be a successful video editor, tips and tricks related to video editing like videos with videos proof, and a free crash course for video editing, 10 mistakes a new video editor makes. Also, you know the experience, you get the experience from the video editors in this post. If you like to read this post, the post link in the description. This post contains A to Z information related to video editing for mobile or video editing software, video editing course, all the topics covered in this post. You get the knowledge for free. The post link in the description. If you like that post, if you want something more in this post, then please comment what you want, we add as your desire in this post. And please subscribe this YouTube channel, and please like this video, and please share with your friend. You get A to Z information in a single post. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please